Hi boys and girls, today we're going to program in a new remote for, this is a Ford XR6 Turbo 2015. They have one existing remote, works door locks and will start ignition. This is a KD remote that I've made up to the new Focus profile. So, get the car into programming mode, insert key into ignition, turn to accessories position, push rear demister 3 times. You'll hear the door locks pop, then press any button on your new remote, you'll hear the door locks pop again, and then push a button on your old remote, making sure that you keep that entered in. Now we'll go through that again. You can see both remotes are now working, and now what we're going to do is we're going to actually delete one. So the rear demister button over here is labeled R with a square around it. Some of the older models do not have that R on it. Sometimes they've just got the square. So do make sure you're hitting the right demister button, not the front demister button. It has to be rear. So once again, key into ignition, to accessories, and you got to hit this 1, 2, 3. Door locks will pop. Push a button on the original remote. Turn key off and remove, and now you can see as it was, original key works, KD key does not.